Introducing Visioneering's LGH. The LGH's universal appeal is highlighted by its unique combination of form and function. The sleek hexagonal profile and formed lens provide the LGH with ideal linear aesthetics for a wide range of commercial and retail applications. Its high-performance output, rugged construction, and array of mounting options make it ideal for warehousing and industrial spaces. The LGH is roll-mountable and available in 24, 48, and 96-inch lengths. It provides even illumination and high-efficacy output with up to 153 lumens per watt. The optional uplight slots provide up to 10% lumen output when the cavern effect is a challenge. The LGH makes installation easy, no matter the application. The impact-resistant polycarbonate lens, tethered LED tray, and rear access plate provide quick and easy access for wiring and servicing. The LGH's housing supports mounting with aircraft cables, S-hooks, rigid stems, and is ready for ceiling and wall surface applications right out of the box. The LGH is also available with a wide range of standalone and group sensor options to provide additional savings and control through occupancy detection and daylight harvesting. The LGH's unique combination of form and function makes it the ideal solution for your next job. To learn more, visit viscore.com.